Hey guys, it's your homeboy, Hail Hernandez here. Now look at this hard rain. There's hail falling in the air. I don't think I can see it on this side, but on the other side I can't. Oh, no, never mind. You can see it here. Perfectly on the ground. Ooh. You can see it when you're here. Oh. You can see some hail falling on the ground and bouncing off. Oh my gosh! Gotta get inside, yo. The homeboy here. Recording end of the video, yo. Dang, this thing is crazy. Can't see anything for miles. Look at this. Look at this.
Can you see it from there?
Look at this. Be quiet. I'm recording for my YouTube fans. Or at least I have some.
You don't have YouTube fans.
Here, guys. I just put pause. Well, that's all I wanted to show you guys. You can see it right there.
Are you so crazy?
Around here somewhere. Oh, you saw that one right there? So much hail. They're so big sometimes. You're like, oh. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh snap. Look at all that hail. It's gonna melt eventually. Oh, my dad's here. Oh, what up, Hey, Dad. You guys better subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. I need them. I can only have 15 minutes of recording. My dad's gonna break a window. So much water.